Enhancing cable management with heat shrink tubing. Proper cable management is essential for maintaining organized, safe, and efficient electrical systems. Heat shrink tubing is a simple yet effective solution for bundling, protecting, and labeling cables. Here is how it enhances cable management. 1. Keeps wires neat and organized. Heat shrink tubing helps bundle multiple wires together, reducing clutter and making installations look clean and professional. This is especially useful in electronics, automotive, and industrial applications. 2. Protects cables from damage. By creating a durable outer layer, heat shrink tubing shields cables from moisture, abrasion, chemicals, and heat. This extends the lifespan of wires and prevents costly repairs. 3. Reduces tangles and improves safety. Loose or exposed wires can lead to hazards like short circuits or tripping risks. Heat shrink tubing secures cables in place, improving overall safety and efficiency. 4. Enables easy identification. Available in various colors, heat shrink tubing allows for color-coding wires and components. This simplifies troubleshooting, maintenance, and future modifications. 5. Provides a professional finish. Heat shrink tubing gives wire connections a seamless, high-quality appearance. It eliminates the need for messy tape or zip ties, ensuring a sleek and durable result. Conclusion: using heat shrink tubing for cable management improves organization, protection, and safety. Whether for home, automotive, or industrial use, it's a cost-effective solution for maintaining a well-structured wiring system. Looking for premium heat shrink tubing? Contact us today for top-quality products that enhance your cable management.